Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, evening, depending on where you're at. It is 4:36 p.m. Central Standard Time here in the United States on November 16th. What is this? Has anybody seen this? Let me show you something here. Watch this. We're going to hit play on this bad boy and watch what happens. What is that? Has anybody ever seen that before? I mean, look at that. What is that? Oh my goodness gracious. I'm sorry about that, folks, but look at this thing. What in the world is that going on there? Anybody ever seen that before? That's flippin' weird. Don't you think? Is this over here by Gitmo, I'm thinking? Let's go see if we can find this somewhere else, too. That's just insane. Whoa, stuff's going on. It's really weird in this world, folks. Look at that. Huh. Okay, there's something I want. Watch this when this starts over. There's clouds over here. They literally just disappear. Watch. This is insane. Where is it? Look at that. Poosh, and they're gone. What happened to those clouds? They literally just completely phased out and disappeared. Look at that. How does that happen? Like, literally just gone. Blip. It says no data. Goes from data to no data. Why? How come we lost data in this area? Something strange is afoot. I'm wondering what... I mean, we know the CERN's right over here. Not really seeing anything strange in this area yet. But, yeah, you can believe one thing, folks. There's definitely some strange things going on. That's the strangest thing I've ever seen. Here's another one over here in Spain. Look at this. Look at this. What is that? Okay, we got some weird anomaly stuff going on in Spain. Look at this over here. Got one going over here in Turkey, too. What is that? What's going on? That's strange. Then you got this purple little anomaly that just shows up and then disappears, and it's looking like it's purple between 60 and 70 dBz's. Look at that right there. And then it's gone. Ooh, strange things are happening. Let's see if we can find that somewhere else too. This is just getting crazy, folks. Look what we got going over here in India, folks. Right over here. Here's one here. One kind of pops up here. This line pops up here. I mean, you can see the lines popping up everywhere. See, like a grid pattern right here. And then look at over here in Thailand. It's a circular disc right here. What in the crap is going on over in Thailand? Of course, nothing that's going to face it directly. Gosh dang it. What in the world is that? And then there's another one right over here. See that? What is going... Look at that. What's going on? This is some strange stuff, folks. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm at a loss. Let's see if we can find it in other places. Sure enough, South America. This one. This up here is getting some really funky lines and waves on it. Now, granted, I understand that we have Doppler radar, but why are they all starting to if this is a malfunction, they're all starting to malfunction? I don't know. I don't know about that, Mater. I don't know. Seems a little peculiar to me. Don't you guys think? I mean, and this bugger's just spinning around like a stinking top. And here we are back at the Italian space model for our Schumann. Here we are right here. Oh, look at that. They changed it back. I wonder, why would they all of a sudden do that? I mean, you don't all of a sudden just go click and all of a sudden it just start hitting like this unless you're pushing a button or flipping a switch or changing the settings. And I mean, look at this. This is our actual Schumann. The one above it, that's our electromagnetic field. Look at this, just blasting away. And okay, we'll switch it over. And you can, right as it's getting to the tail end, and then, okay, we're quiet. Hello? You guys understanding that yet? They're stinking messing with it. Look at how tight the lines are here. You see this? See these little lines? All these lines are really tight, but here they're spaced out. Well, they actually adjusted, they actually created it to be more dense, so that it would be here. This was, if it was over here, it would be way up here. It'd be like this. I mean, you guys can clearly see this line here when they switched it over. It was way up here. It was pegged out. I mean, look at this. Judas Priest. Look at the stinking geophone just going off the flipping charts right here. Man, folks, things are going on with the Schumann and over at CERN. I'm telling you. Because, like, here's Russians. This is the Russian Schumann resonance right here. This is theirs. They had their little spike right here, but that was it. So, if the Russian one is only showing this for just a short little minute of time, well, why is the Italian one showing all of this? Well, why do we think? Well, why do I know? Well, because right here's where it's at. Cumiana. And it's not far from the from CERN. Folks, man, people need to start paying attention. We really need to give these people some crap because, yeah, this isn't good. Here we are in China, looking at our PM 2.5. Look at this. Holy smokes. What is happening here? 1490? Oh, 1550s. What the crap is over here? Whoa, here's another bad spot. This ain't good. Look at this. Oh, by the way, please look this up. What is a safe amount of PM 2.5? Look that up. You want to know what you're going to find out? Isn't any safe level. What is over here? Wow, what is this? Menfeng Nai. Let's go take a look at Google Earth, shall we? This is Menfeng Nai. Look at these square-built ponds. Here's a round one here. Here's some sludge. I mean, look at how nasty these things are. I'll almost guarantee you, this right here, folks, is where they make lithium-ion batteries. You heard it. And this is all the sludge creating all that toxin, all that crap that's in the atmosphere. Look at all of that. I'll almost guarantee it. I mean, look at how this is obviously some kind of a mining area. That's why this looks like trash. Look at the levels. My goodness, folks. Yeah, everybody, oh, electric vehicles. Wait, really? Like this? No thanks. I'd rather have gas and diesel. Here we are at Wikipedia. Check this out, folks. Wikipedia for Nyack County. Right there for what we were looking at. Check it out. Right here. Economy. It's primarily based on agriculture and livestock farming. Really? Products of the county include corn, wheat, cotton, and sheep wool. Industries in the county include electronics. That's lithium-ion mining right there. And they're making agriculture, food processing in that area. I don't want no food from China. No thanks. Look at that. That's disgusting. And here we are in Canada. Look at this. By high level, Canada, 1612. PM 2.5. What in the fragnog is going on? People should be up in arms. I guarantee there's some form of a plant over there too. I mean, holy cow. People, look at this. They're poisoning us. That's not good. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't even know what to say anymore. I mean, I've been over here to the camera, I've looked at it, and of course it's not going to show anything. I've gone to Google Maps or Google Earth, tried looking at it. Don't really see much in the area except a couple of looks like a mine. Let's start paying attention, folks. Let's really start getting up in arms with this. I mean, people need to be informed. How many people actually know about all this stuff? I know I don't know everything, but I'm learning. I'm out there digging for it. Be safe, everybody, especially if you're in Canada or in China.